A member of ASC Group of Companies, International Steels Limited strives to create value for its customers as a supplier of high-precision, premium-quality flat steel products in Pakistan and in more than 30 countries across the globe. Established in 2019, ISL Service Center is a state-of-the-art facility built on 15 acres, specializing in the processing and finishing of flat steel for countless industrial and commercial purposes in the most readily consumable forms. Strategically positioned in the National Industrial Park Bin Qasim, Karachi, it is in close proximity to the leading consumption hubs and the port, which provides convenience and accessibility to domestic and industrial customers. ISL Service Center meets customers' specifications in total compliance with the international benchmarks and standards.
We are a customer-focused company capable of producing high-quality, value-added and environmentally sustainable steel solutions for our customers. Our unique selling proposition is to cater to customers on just-in-time basis. We make products as per their needs and ensure delivery of the material just when they need it. That was actually the concept behind making this service center. At ISL, we use advanced technology and world-renowned equipment paired with the best industrial practices and strict quality control systems to manufacture and process flat steel on globally accepted standards such as ASTM and JIS.
At the ISL Service Center, flat rolled steels of various grades and specifications are processed into different forms for a wide range of applications under one roof. Cut-to-length products transform full-length coils into sheets of customer-specified dimensions. These sheets are packed on pallets to ensure the quality and safety of products during storage and transit.
As a pioneer and the largest steel manufacturer, we understand the need of customer and the industrial landscape of Pakistan. Going forward, ISL Service Center will continue with its mission to keep providing the high-quality products to our customer.
Slitting involves cutting full-width coils to the desired strip width. These strips are packed in special packaging to ensure that the strips remain in prime shape until their final utilization and application. For various commercial and structural applications, the company profiles sheet metal for roofing, cladding, and enclosure panels. These profiles are made from galvanized and color-coated steel. ISL Service Center produces a comprehensive range of structural channel sections and purlins for construction-related applications such as pre-engineered building and light-gauge steel structures. These purlins are made from premium quality, high-tensile galvanized steel produced in the ISL manufacturing facility.
The idea behind developing a service center was focused on three core principles. Number one was to simplify and ease down the value chain of the customers that they are currently going through. Number two is to be a part of a team that is going through industrialization in our country. And for that, pre-engineered building segment is an ideal option nowadays for industrialists. The last principle that we focused on its development and providing value-added products in the local market.
What we do is present in people's daily lives. Our steels can be found in the homes we live in, on the vehicles we drive, in appliances we use, on the harvesters and sheds that help produce and store our food, on the transport systems that bring us together, on renewable energies, in heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, and in general on everything that helps us keep moving forward, improving our everyday lives. Our team of professionals is always in the constant quest for improvement, with a passionate commitment to customers. Striving to be more than a steel manufacturer, we are committed to shaping a better tomorrow. ISL, shaping tomorrow.